Welcome back to the class. So we have 3 exponent x plus 3 exponent x over 3 equals 50. Okay, so our equation becomes 3 exponent x plus 3 exponent x equals 3 times 50. So we are going to factorize. So 3 exponent x times 1 plus 1 equals 3 times 50. Okay, so we are going to have 3 exponent x times 2 equals 3 times 50 is the same as 2 times 25. Okay, all right, so we're going to divide here by 2, here by 2. All right, so we are left with 3 exponent x equals 3 times 9. 25 is the same as 5 squared. Okay, so we're going to have 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 1 times 5 squared. Now let's divide here by 3 exponent 1, here by 3 exponent 1. So this and this will cancel. Now let's apply the quotient law of indices. So a exponent b over a exponent c equals a exponent b minus c. So you're going to have 3 exponent x minus 1 equals 5 squared. Now let's apply logarithm. So we say log 3 exponent x minus 1 equals log 5 squared. Now let's apply the logarithm definition. So we say log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. Okay, so we're going to have x minus 1 times log 3 equals 2 log 5. So our equation becomes x minus 1 times log 3 equals 2 log 5. Now let's divide here by log 3, here by log 3. So this and this will cancel. Now let's apply the change of base concept. So log, okay, log a over log b equals log a base b. So our equation becomes x minus 1 equals, okay, 2 log 5 base 3. So we are going to make x the subject of the equation. So we are going to have x equals 2 log 5 base 3 plus 1.